Today I'd like to teach you how to thread a needle. So you will be required to have the needle in a thread. And possibly, if you can, have sharp scissors. You need them sharp to make a clean cut. Like that. If you get the cut sharp, then most likely this will be very easy to put it through the eye of the needle. Let me get the needle. So this is the eye. That's it. That's how easy it is. But like I said, you have to make sure that your scissors are sharp. So the other way would be, let's say you don't have any scissors and all you have is your hands. And you have to pull the thread apart and you're left with something like that. That's for sure is not a clean cut. You should be able to see it. See all that? And now you have two options. You can lick it, which I am going to do. I know it's gross, but you know what? When you want to have things done, you want them have done. It's not easy, but well, I got it. Beautiful. And now there's another way. If you don't want to lick it, what you can do, you can take the thread the way you have it, like here, and then just pull it, right? So you're gonna get a loop. Grab your needle and go through the eye opening. That's it. Do you see that? That's extremely easy. Again, let me repeat that. You just get the fuzzy wuzzy end of the thread. Keep the needle. I'll just put it away. I'm gonna put it away, it's easier. And then make a loop, and I'll make sure that loop's gonna be tiny. Can you see how tiny it is? Tiny. The tinier the better. So I've got a tiny loop. And now that's it. Just like that. So that's how you thread the needle.